Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's post-market analysis, we'll look at how Nifty performed throughout the day, and more importantly, how beautifully it matched our morning prediction of a flat positive market. We'll break down the movement, compare it with our pre-market levels, and understand what it means for the next session. Let's get started. Morning prediction recap. This morning, our prediction for Nifty was very clear. Nifty direction flat positive because global cues were mildly supportive. जोर 0.50%, Asia, जोर 0.02%, Europe, जोर 0.07%, USD INR, जोर 0.21%. Crude, जोर 0.72%. So from the morning itself, we expected no aggressive downside, slow upside or sideways to positive. Buy on dips behavior, consolidation inside our support resistance map. And that is exactly what happened today. Today's price behavior, let's look at how Nifty actually behaved. From your chart, Nifty opened slightly soft but immediately respected the lower support zones, especially around 25,950, 26,000. After that, most of the day was sideways stable low volatility, gradually drifting upward. This is a classic flat positive structure. Around afternoon, Nifty started forming higher lows and slowly pushed up to at 25,986, 26,000, exactly like we expected in the morning. How it matched our morning levels. Let's connect today's movement with the support or resistance lines we discussed earlier. Support zones. S1, 25,937. S2 25 847. What happened? Price stayed comfortably above S1 the entire day, confirming strong buying interest near support. Resistance zones. R1 26 112, R2 26 182. What happened? Nifty didn't have enough momentum to reach R1, which is perfectly fine in a flat positive day. Instead, it hovered below resistance and moved slowly upward to at 26,000, staying within expectations. Conclusion: the market perfectly followed the pre-market roadmap. Took support at lower zones, stayed sideways, ended with a slightly positive bias. Our prediction matched 100%. Intraday structure breakdown. Let's break today's structure into phases. Opening bell. Slight weakness. Bias protected support. Reversal signs appeared. Midday afternoon. Sideways channel. No loss of support. Low volatility. Perfect flat market behavior. Afternoon push. Gradual upward movement. Higher lows. Attempted to move toward 26,000. Closed near day's upper zone. Exactly what a flat positive day looks like. Learning or takeaways. Today teaches us an important lesson. When global cues are mild and support zones hold strongly, we get a slow trending, low volatility market. Traders who used buy on deep range scalping, STBT logic avoided performed well today. Our pre-market analysis once again proved that levels Jor global cues equals clarity. Final summary. To summarize today. Predicted direction, flat positive, achieved. Support respected, yes. Range movement, as expected. Afternoon lift, matched our forecast. No panic, no volatility. A clean technical day. If you found today's analysis useful, hit like and subscribe.